Greetings for the day. I'm Nandanete from grade 6.
I'm Harita from grade 8. And I'm Shreya Bharatwaj from grade 6.
We are from Excel Public School, Mysuru. We are submitting a project titled Getgrowing for the ATL Marathon 2020. This project comes under the pillar Economy 2. Since this year's ATL Marathon was about Atmanirbhar Bharat, we thought that the project that we selected will be apt for this theme.
About 58% of the population of our country depends on agriculture for their livelihood.
Our project aims to create a platform for farmers and green enthusiasts to exchange their ideas and innovations by using an Android application that we have named Getgrowing.
We came to know that in some villages, farmers do not have knowledge of agriculture apps available online that can benefit them. They grow crops in conventional methods and don't use any innovative techniques as they are not aware of innovative techniques that some farmers are using in different parts of the country. We also came to understand that the people living in urban areas have innovative ideas about farming but are unable to implement these ideas but don't have a farm to implement those ideas.
Keeping these things in mind, we plan to build an app using which farmers and non-farmers can interact and share their innovative ideas and contacts.
How the app works. We developed this app using MIT App Inventor. Before finalizing the app and testing it, we had to improve our designs based on the constant feedbacks given by the team, mentors, and parents. The home page of the Get Growing app has two buttons, Farmer and Green Enthusiast. In the Get Growing app, on clicking the Farmer button in the home page, the user will be taken to different categories of farming practices. The user can choose the category which he wanted and navigate to the screens to check for the innovations displayed in that category. The innovation display will also have the name and contact number of the farmer who has practiced this innovation successfully. When the green enthusiast button is clicked on the home page, the app will take you to a page where the ideas and innovations are shared by the green enthusiasts. Could be from urban areas or from rural areas who are not practicing farming, along with their names and contact numbers.
If we get selected to the next level, we are planning to make this app a multilingual app so that the app can be used by the users pan India. We are also planning to add a chat section for communication between farmers and also want to have personalized profiles for each farmer. Role of each member in the group.